Hi. simpliRP has a very unique timesheet module to capture all the man-hours spent on a particular order. Go to Sales Order Project Costing Sheet. Earlier we saw an example of sales order number 24. Select that. Click Enter Project Timesheet. Enter the job or task name. Enter the drawing reference if any. You can also enter remarks if any. Enter date of work, from time and to time. Type an employee or subcontractor name. A name will be listed below. Select and enter details. Likewise, you repeat the same steps to record again. You can also enter for time spent by subcontractors or time spent by production staff or any other manpower-centric job. simpliRP ensure all such timesheets are added to the sales order costing sheet, in the man-hours spent. You can now go to Project Timesheet. You can see on the top right, the number of man-hours spent is appearing. You can also click on the complete report. There you can select dates and filter. You can see the complete report on timesheet. You can also go to the next work scheduled report. You will be able to see the report based on the upcoming timesheet schedule or task allocated for coming days. Sales order-based timesheet is a unique feature which will be helpful in monitoring man-hours spent on a particular project or a sales order. Please feel free to contact us to know about more features. Thank you.